What is up, you guys? I'm so freaking stoked. Yo, my dude James Bowen came out here and literally hooked you guys up. He's coming out with this YouTube course, which I'm freaking ecstatic for. Like, he put me in the beta, so I'm going to help him pretty much, like, make this course for him. And I'm hyping it up for you guys. Like, I've never been this hyped up for something. I mean, Tanner G. Fox's stupid Amazon FBA thing, totally crap. Multiple other things and courses that I've personally taken. This thing is a whole new level. It's not just regular SEO on YouTube, stuff that you can learn on, you could just search on YouTube and learn SEO. But, keywording, building an authority, and like building your brand. If you have a local business or like something that you just want to build on your own, maybe you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to do ClickFunnels. I personally want to do that. I'm not really worried about the local stuff, but it's something that I think that you guys should really tap into before he like skyrockets the price, because he's already got tons of people in his beta program and he hasn't even came out with the course yet. I mean, that is true branding. I mean, it kind of speaks for itself. It's kind of, he already built a course. He built his brand. He's got people already buying the product before it even came out. Doesn't that kind of tell you something? He's got the silver bullet. He's got something about him that drives you and that gets you to do something like that. And I definitely want to be a part of that. I'm super excited. If you're very interested, or if you even want to learn more, just comment below and I'll email you or I'll message you back as soon as I possibly can. And by the way, it's the YouTube Mastery course by James Bowen. You can look him up on Facebook. He has a group of over 20,000 people in there now, and it's really interesting. You can catch up with me on Facebook. My name's Trevor Rice, so obviously right there. But thanks, guys. And if you're interested, like I said, comment down below or reach out to me. Thanks.